There are a couple things that I always build into when I'm prompting things for hallucinations. The first one is always asking for sources when you're prompting. This is really key. An example would be like cite all sources with URLs. The second thing that I do is what is called chain of thought prompting. And what that means is like you're forcing the AI model to show you its step-by-step reasoning to how it got to that answer so that you can catch shortcuts. You can kind of actually read through it and see how it was thinking about it. Cross-checking everything is really important. One of the other things that I always do for this is training the AI to say, I don't know. AI doesn't really have a sense of time like a human. And so a lot of the time, I will ask it to pull data, and it'll pull data from 2023, 2020, where like those stats and that data is not really relevant for me. So I always include something like only consider events or data after X date.